So this is the Tic Tac Toe project on Python. Just run it. So the first part is to check if the name ends with S to position the apostrophe. So I'll just use two sample names, James and Jill, as player one and player two. So since James's name ends with S, it positions the apostrophe after the S. So then I enter which position I want in the board. So if I say one, then it puts James's X on that position, and then now it's Jill's turn, so I'll just 2. So it puts her O. So if I just keep continuing until James wins, for example, uh, then it will say he's the winner, and I can choose to play again because I put a loop, and I just re-enter the two names. Okay, and now if I choose to like put any number that's out of the board, it will give an error and it will tell me to re-enter the number. So I can choose a new number like that. And if the second player tries to choose a number that's already taken, for example, if I choose 1 again, it'll say to the enter because it's already taken. I made a function for that as well. So it's forced to like choose an option that's not taken. So let me just try and get a tie. Uh, so I have to keep going until a tie happens. Uh, stop. So it says it's a tie, and if I say play again, and at this time make player two win. So once again the two sample names. So but this time I'm trying to make Jill win. To so then it says Jill is the winner, and it doesn't proceed any further. It just breaks out of the loop. So then I can just end the game by saying no, and then it ends the full function in the loop right over there.